at this! Look at this! Oh my gosh!
This is amazing! The ring is surrounded by fire, and here we go! The Undertaker wants to take the early advantage, much like he did at WrestleMania against his brother Kane. But the Undertaker took a tremendous amount of punishment, more than he has ever received by his own brother.
Oh my gosh, JR, do you feel the heat out here?
Hell yeah, I feel the heat.
Well, what do you think it feels like inside that ring? Oh my gosh, turned inside out. Up the turnbuckle goes under, watch out!
He's dropping from the sky.
The Undertaker, look out! Oh man, a big time miss.
Undertaker counters it.
He dropped him right on his head with a DDT.
Oh my gosh! Oh no! That did it! Kane is just punishing his opponent.
What a kick. And he unloads with everything he's got.
A big boot connects. Uh-oh. Undertaker may be thinking old school. He is!
We first saw Kane in October. 20,000 on hand, like we have here in St. Louis. Oh, that hand, that massive hand.
Chokeslam by Undertaker. It's as hot as the Devil's dressing room in that ring. Look at the sinister eyes of the Undertaker.
The dead man, with a pulse, can feel the momentum swinging his way.
Oh, those are some big shots from Kane.
Undertaker has beaten everybody he's ever stepped in the ring with. It started 7 years ago at SummerSlam. He has never, ever been challenged like he is now by his brother Kane.
Oh, this heat out here is unbelievable. Feel my coat, JR. Here, hey, he's going for it again. How does the Undertaker do that? Whoa, this is bad news.
Tombstone pile driver. Tombstone pile driver. Undertaker just threw Kane on the top rope. Kane has been thrown outside.
Oh, Kane